Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to change DuckDuckGo search engine to Google Chrome search. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here where you have these three dots right there. Click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to search engine right here. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, search. So click on manage search engine and site, click on that and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you click on here and then make sure you click on make a default. And by the time you come back to the top right here and create a new tab, you will be back to your Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.